In today's video, I'm going to share few more activities that I am arranging using my DIY alphabet flashcards at home. I have already shared some of the activities in my earlier video, so if you haven't watched that video, make sure to watch it. So let's get started. Today, the very first activity I'm gonna share is the tracing activity. If you are trying to teach your kids to write alphabets, then these flashcards are very useful. For arranging this activity, you can make this kind of tracing tray for your kids so that they can trace letters in this tray. For making these types of tracing tray, I give any kind of grains in a cake tray or any other trays to my daughter and ask her to copy the letters from the flashcards with her fingers on the tray. I generally give one flashcard at a time so that it gets easier for her to copy those letters on the grain. Instead of just writing letters, you can also draw some pictures and drawing that starts with that letters on the grain, and that way also you can practice your alphabets with your kids. Such as for letter B, you can draw butterflies. For letter C, you can draw cup, and this way we can easily improve their vocabulary also. Moving on to next activity. The next activity we can arrange using this flashcard is the scavenger hunt activity. For arranging this activity, I have created the scavenger hunt list. Here I wrote all the clues in such a way that kids must think about the alphabet before they hunt for it. Such as for flashcard A, I wrote flashcard A is in a toy which starts with letter A and in a toy which fly in the air. For letter B, I wrote flashcard B is in a thing which we read together. For flashcard C, I wrote C is in a thing which we use to drink milk or water. Here I mean like cup. The kids have to find out the flashcard C near a cup or inside the cup. Flashcard D is in a thing which we use to dump in our toy plate, so it is dump truck. Flashcard E is in a box where I store Easter eggs. Flashcard F is in a box which has a toy used for blowing air, so that is means fan. And this way I made the whole entire list up to the letter K, and I am planning to arrange this activity with both of my kids so that they will help each other and my older one can read the clues to my little one. Next, you can arrange letter sound recognition activity using these flashcards, and for arranging this activity, I arrange cards alphabetically from A to Z on the floor, and I try to find out the things that starts with that letters. While doing this activity, I asked my daughter to match these objects according to their beginning sounds, such as for ant, the beginning sound is ah, and letter A makes the sound ah. So they have to put the ant on alphabet A. Ball starts with B sound and the letter B makes the sound B, and they have to put this ball on flashcard B. Then similarly car on letter C, dinosaur on letter D, and flower on letter F, and egg on letter E, and grapes on letter G. Here I'm just demonstrating from alphabet A to H, but of course you can arrange this activity from A to Z. This is also another way to practice sounds with your kids. Lastly, you can use these alphabet flashcards for teaching kids how to arrange alphabets in an order, that is from A to Z. You can randomly put alphabets on the floor and then and allow them to arrange it from A to Z in a perfect order. If you are still teaching them to how to arrange cards in order from A to Z, then you can also join into the activity and help them to put the alphabets from A to Z. That's it for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and share. See you next time with the next video.